Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character from the world of animated series. It was first created by Joe Simon and Jack Kirby. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Captain America, Captain America, Captain America, Captain America. Captain America is a heroic character known for his super soldier strength, agility, and indestructible shield. He's a central figure in the Avengers team and is famous for his leadership and bravery. If you enjoyed learning about Captain America, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.